Hey guys, Picato here. I'm gonna walk you through Ironman versus Captain America, classic style. So I'm gonna show you the setup that I did. So I'm using my desktop as the background, sci-fi background. Couldn't find any ruined sci-fi background that is suitable. So this one doesn't have lights yet. So you can see the props that I did are all drag and drop. You can all mess around with it, play around with the silhouette. So that one will look nice with the DOF on the foreground, those rocks or those columns. And as you can see, I've used some of the other props, but which are not so visible because it's gonna be blurred in the background. So let me just turn on the lights. So I'm using a Phottix for this one. Right, cool, eh? So I'm trying to imitate the light of the background through my RGB light, which is a little bit neon green something. And I'm gonna add a fill light, which is that one, and then on the other side too. Alright, so that's gonna add more highlights to Ironman and to Captain America. So if you look at the lens on the viewport, it will look like that one. But I'll compose it in Photoshop to do a composition of the lighting, so I can adjust more of the lights, which I'll show you later. So I'm pretty excited with this scene. I'm gonna add some Iron Man effects there and some effects on the shield, hitting on the shield. So it's gonna be like the Avengers scene, only classic Iron Man and classic Captain America. So stay tuned and thank you for watching, and hope you like this video and learn some tips and tricks on how to light up your scene. Don't forget to click that like button.